Dun 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 dun. Oh yeah, guys, how you like my new painted march? It's not done yet, but hey. Okay, like I said in the last video, today's Wednesday, and we're about to go to these chickens. Chickens. Don't know what I'm singing. Better shut up. Okay. We're about to get to the chickens. Like I said in the last video, I was gonna clean their not the cages, but what was it? Oh yeah, I was gonna clean their food, and maybe their cages. Yeah. See how they're food and water? So you guys, let me just. There you go. There we go. This is nice. Whoa. What? I thought. Wait. What? I thought you were right there. What? Did you? Hey guys. Hey girls. Whatever. Okay, back to what we were doing. There we go. Take it off. Yeah, if you guys want to see, put this right here. There we go. There we go. Oh shoot. Well, hi. Nice to meet you. Crisscross, crisscross, cha-cha, real slow. Guys, I can't wait for field day. Field day is on June 7th. You're on the wire. Did you? Oh, okay. You're so cute. Okay. Got this. Got all the food. We're all good. We're all swaggity swoo. Okay. We're all good. We're all good. I'm gonna just pour all this stuff out. Okay. Dang it. I was about to sneeze. Let's go. You guys like my cauldron? It's a cauldron. Look at all these mole holes. Ugh. Ugh. You guys like my pretty feet? Look at those feet. Oh. Strong feet. Yeah. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. Sorry if I was creeping you guys out. Okay, I'm gonna pause the video. I'll be back with the food all done and all that. One, 2, 3, 4. Yo, what up? Swiggity. Wubba-dubba-dub-dub. Sponsor me, Rick and Morty. Oh no. Oh no, look at him. Look at him crawling. It's so sad. Oh, look at him. Be free! Oh my god. Okay, we're all good. Okay. Proceed with our. Oh, nope, can't. Oh no. Did I get paint on me? Oh no, let's hope not. Because these floors and my whole thing was all painted. See? Look at it, all painted. Nice. In the last video, I think you saw it. I don't know if you did or not. But if you notice, it wasn't really painted at all. Okay, I'm gonna. So about to fill out the water. Let's do this. And the water is done. Look at that water. Okay. Oh, how am I gonna do this? Okay, I gotta pick this up. Let's go. Okay. Ow! What the heck? Ow! If you guys, oh man, should have worn shoes, shouldn't I? I'm so glad I'm not holding this because now my hand is getting wet from the water. while I was holding the phone in the other hand. Whew! You guys would have been soaked. Okay, I'm gonna you guys the whole persevere to the whole version. Stop jumping up there. Hey guys, subscribe to Scream Fancy. Make sure to leave a like. If you guys don't know, I'm about to do some games too. Yeah, you guys thought, didn't you? Huh? You thought I was just a farm boy. No, I do games too. We'll have to play some zombie games. Not really zombie games. We'll have to play some post-apocalyptic games. And that'll be my next video. It might be my next video. Can't guarantee you guys. So whatever I'm saying, every time I say something, like it's my next video, where I say, hey, this or that, all that, I may not be telling the truth, because you can never trust AJ. Oh yeah, if you guys haven't found it out, my name's AJ, by the way. Just saying. Might want to go subscribe. Scream Banshee. All caps. SCERMING. And then BANSHI. And then, not SHEEE. It's SHIBANSHI. Scream Banshee. Okay. Now, if your YouTube thing tries to recorrect it as Scream Banshee, and it shows one that says Screaming BANSHI, and the one saying Screaming BANSHEE, click the one that says Screaming BANSHI, and you'll see my icon. It's like some trees and stuff. And what is she doing? Let's see. This food's good. Did you make this yourself? Oh, yes, I did. Thank you for complimenting. Compliments to the chef, by the way. Oh, that's so nice. See, you gotta treat your chickens with respect, And then they, they respect you, It's all about that respect, See, look at her. She respects me. Come here, chickens. Look at her. Did I dump? Look at her out there. And I'm free. Okay. And, yeah, like I said, make sure you go check out my channel. Watch Scream Banshee. Make sure you go watch Markiplier too. If anyone is watching this, make sure you go watch Markiplier. Okay, everyone? Watch Markiplier. The best YouTuber ever, yeah. Even YouTubers watch YouTubers. Okay? And, yeah. Scream Banshee, out. Bye. See ya.